Today we are going to learn prime factors by tree diagram method. In the previous class you learned to find out prime factors by the vertical method and horizontal method. So today we are going to learn to find prime factors by tree diagram method. So I will take an example. Suppose 36 I take. You have to find prime factors of 36. Now take 36, put it in the circle, draw two lines like this way. Now just see you see 36, where does it come? 4 9s are 36. Any table you can take, or 12 3s are 36, any. Now this 4 is not a prime number. So this 4 can be again factorized as 2 2s are. 2 2s are is 4. The same way here 9. 9 can be again factorized as 3 3s are 9. So you see the last numbers 2 2 3 3. These are all prime numbers. So therefore prime factors of 36, that is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. We got it. You have learnt in the vertical method and horizontal method just to prove. See this method you learn 2 1s are carry 1, 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are is 18. Then 3 3s are 3 1s are. So you see 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. By tree method we got the prime factors of 36. Second example, take 40. So take 40, put it in the circle. 5 8s are 40. 5 is a prime number. We cannot factorize this. Leave it. But 8 can be factorized. 8 is not a prime number. 4 2s are is 8. This 4 can be again factorized. So 2 2s are is 4. So this last numbers, see here prime factor 5, 2, 2 and this 2. So we can write it in the ascending order. So 40 is equal to, that is prime factor of 40 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 5 the 40. So these are the prime factors of 40. Another example. Suppose if I take 72. Now 72. 8 9s are 72. 8 can be factorized as 4 2s are is 8. This 4 can be again factorized as 2 2s are 4. Now come here 9 can be factorized as 3 3s are 9. So you see the last numbers, they are all prime numbers 2 2 2 3 3. So therefore 72 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Yes, now fourth example. Suppose if I take 84. 84. You know 12 7s are is 84. 7 is a prime number itself, but 12 is not a prime number. So it can be further factorized as 3 4s are is 12. 3 is a prime number, but 4 is not a prime number. So factorize it again. 2 2s are 4. So the last numbers 3 2 2 7. I got the prime number. So therefore 84 factors of 84. You can write it in the ascending order. 2 into 2 into this 3 into this 7 in the ascending order. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 7 is the prime factors of 84. Another example, suppose if I take 60, write 60, 23s or 12, 5s is 60, or we can take any, we can take 10, 6 is 60. Yes, 10 can be factorized as 2 5s are 10. Both are prime factors. But 6 is not the prime factor. So, again 6 can be factorized as 2 3s is 6. 60 is equal to as. Now, this last numbers, prime factors, you write it in the ascending order. 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. 2 to the 4, 4, 3 is 12, 12 5 is 60. Sixth example. Suppose if I take 120. Now, 120. 12 tens is 120. Easy table you search. 12 tens is 120. Now, 12. 3 fours is 12. 4 can be factorized as 2 twos are 4. These 10 also can be again factorized as 2 5s are 10. So these 3, 2, 2, 2 and 5 are the prime factors of 120. Therefore 120 is equal to as. Write in the ascending order. 3 times of 2 we got. 2 into 2 into 2. Then this 3 and then last comes 5. So 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 3 is 24. 24 into 5 if you do, 24 into 5, 5 for the 20 carry 2, 5 to the 10, 11, 12. We will get 120. If you multiply all these numbers, we should get this as the answer. So in this way, this is called as tree diagram method. I hope so you have understood and enjoyed it.